time debugging errors in design. I got a couple of these that were answered incorrectly. For whatever the reason, students thought the color mixer was not working accurately, but if we open it up, we're going to find that yes, it does. It's a little slow with giving you the instructions. So I'm just going to pop out because it's so slow giving you the instructions. I'm just going to open it up, the code, so we can see it. As you can see here, it is going to intake in information. It's going to ask you your first primary color. Once you put it in the first color, then it asks you for the second color. And then there's a block here that's going to determine what it's going to say. Right? So whatever, based on what the two colors are that that person puts in, it's going to give the answer to it. So that code works correctly. If you'll take a look over here, you can see it's asking me my enter your first primary color. I'm going to go ahead and plug in red as my first primary color. And then I'm going to do blue as my next one. And as you can see, it gives me purple. So it works fine. This one, there's not an error there. The one that has the error, I think people were, I don't know, I'm not sure why they couldn't tell that there was an error here. So it's supposed to give us 24 squares, right? So at some point it should stop. You can see that it's drawn the correct shape, the geometric pattern that it should have. However, it's not stopping. It's still drawing. So this one has an error in it. Now I'm not gonna tell you what the error is. I think you can figure that out. When you're going in here, there's a forever block here. We know that we don't need a forever block. Notice that you've got 3 squares inside here. So, you're not going to put in, you don't need to put in, this is the block you're going to need. And this is all I'll give you because I think you can figure out the rest from here. It's going to be repeated a certain number of times. Keep in mind, you've got 3 squares already in here. So that's going to help you determine what number needs to go in here. I hope this was helpful.